Make we hear the people who come see you now for here. Una don dey work since, abi? So e get reason why we come. E good when you reach house, you go get message wey you go take back to the people wey dey for house. So let us hear from the man wey get simple agenda, wey by September 19th una go vote for to make governor. Everybody wey dey here, you know say na pastor you go vote for this election. Raise your hand. Everybody under the canopy, please come out and hear the message from Pastor. And I'll give the mic to Pastor Izeyamu. APC Izeyamu for governor. Ozara oye. Owa West oye.
now.
Oshomole for life.
Well. For the way we will come out, come receive us.
Oshomole no more life. Yes. Baba for life. No one.
I get people for here. My papa's sister. My here married man. And the children. They be our family, they be our family. So now in-law, now na see so. That's why you give una wife. So make una treat me well. Oh. Make una wait, give me this one, make una wait, give me. I also thank una for the way una look after my sister, look after our children. By the grace of God, everything we'll ever get for the past 4 years, and I will get time for this one when they come. My name is Pastor Osagi Isaiah. By the grace of God, and una vote, and the next governor of Edo State. My deputy is supposed to be here, but he had to go somewhere. But now una son, Malam Gani Audu.
Salam alaikum.
Thank you. I want to ask you one question. For the past 4 years, Ozala don't feel the impact of Edo State government. At all. Because the governor say he won't continue. If they do well, now true. Now if you say yes, the man don't try well, they don't do many things for us. He could not continue. But we not fit continue waiting no good. Employment dey for here. I remember say comrade approve the secondary school for this place wey they do am. They don't do am for
Community people chop the money.
Leader.
The father's leader.
Shut devil, man.
They chop the money.
Thank God say.
We want me to chop the great.
Comrade dey here, he go tell you some things. I go allow tell you himself. Very, very painful, but he go tell you now.
Okay.
But the truth be say, the governor did not try at all.
Lie.
If he try, we can even say he try, but we will do pass. But he not try at all.
He not try. Now show me the
200,000 job, we say one give.
He not do anything.
Any of una there will get the job.
Now show me the make us
But you see, we get very simple agenda. And that simple agenda, we want to show you that say, it will transform this community. It will transform our West. Simple agenda. The X for now. Now security and social welfare. Development not go fit day if security not day. If farmers not fit go farm, they not fit travel. They not fit work out for evening because too many bad people dey. They not go work. But that security, government must contribute. Government must assist our local people. All these vigilante, what they do, government supposed to support them. Any vigilante group there for here? Anyone there here? It's supposed to dey to help save, because police not fit do them alone. But to make our young men and women do them, government must support them. I want to show you say when we come in, we are going to see better security for our state. We are not going to fear. The second one, now infrastructural development. Infrastructural development means good road. As you say, erosion not dey worry you now. If you don't handle them now, it go come dey worse. But thank God say federal na APC.
Yes.
With me, una in-law as APC governor, I can assure you that the erosion problem will be tackled. Even the roads, even the roads, when they're supposed to do, they don't do them. But I want to assure you, no hospital, no light, no school, teachers don't have school, sir. So when they will say they want to continue, the question will say, what do you want to continue? You want to make our suffering continue? You want to make our neglect continue? Who will say God forbid? Who will say God forbid? So if for social development, we will provide hospital, we will provide lights, we will provide water, we will provide good roads. Then for that manpower, that simple agenda, we also get M. M mean manpower development, woman power development. One thing where it good for one people is to be go school well. But government won't kill that interest by making sure say no school, no teachers. Your children, by the grace of God, will be greater than you. But to make it possible, you must give them good education. And that is where manpower development comes. Unfortunately, this government, they don't close many schools.
Yes.
I heard the deputy governor, they talked yesterday. He said, true, for secondary school, we not try. For primary school, what did they try? What did they try? Primary school, what teacher not there? At least when Oshobo the day office, we dey see red roof. You don't see anyone again?
It's about meskin.
Una son. No, wait. Una son, God bless him, Professor Yobeli. He can't do, he can't do skill acquisition center. Because that skill acquisition center now part of manpower development. He can't do one. Put up Ozeba. So that those who not go university,
They go fit go there.
They go learn many things. So nobody go talk say, I don't sabi any work. They're ready to train them for them.
No way.
The only thing will remain. Now make a no state government open up. They don't be open up. That place has been ready, Prof, since when? It has been ready since 3 years ago.
They are never failure.
3 years ago, they don't agree open up.
They are never failure.
He had to open place. They don't build them. They don't put things inside just to open up.
It's a problem.
But I tell you, I say, anybody will say wants keeping up for poverty. God not agree. I say God not agree. Whether they like it or not, God will make you prosper. His grace will make you prosper. Another word for simple agenda na P. And P mean public-private partnership.
Yes.
Government supposed to support the people. Because if the people they do well, government they do well. For example, how many farmers say here? The farmer. I want to thank God for you people because anywhere where farmer not there, a problem that place there. And I feel say most of the people there are the farmers. I don't know whether it happened here, but the guy one time where government contract say they want names of farmers, they want help. They collect any name from here? No, they collect your name. Very good. They collect your name. Very good. They collect your name. Very good. No, very good. They collect your name. Now they help you now. And now I tell you. Now I tell you why they collect your name. Look, I tell you why they collect your name. The president May God bless him.
Yes, sir.
He can't talk, say, the only way when Nigeria will feed better well. Now make federal government support farmers.
Amen.
Now if food plenty, Nigeria go dey great.
Yes.
But that the money wey they need, if they go normal bank, they'll say make they go bring their land. Make they go bring this one, make they go bring this one, where they want see am.
Yeah. That is
So
what
you come under central bank. This central bank make you they give money to all these farmers. But because you don't know them, make the state government compile their name. Then you go give the money to the states. They will give out to those names. Many states can go. Kebbi government do one today. Now Kebbi get rice. All the rest what we eat for Christmas, now trailer they bring out from Kebbi. The same thing for Abakaleke, Ebonyi State. The farmers they give them money. Obaseki here, he say very good. He can collect this from our farmers. He collect these names, he carry and go central bank for Abuja. And those they get plenty farmers. When the money the president say will give us.
No way. They even give
Let me tell you now. They can't give up 5.6 billion. I don't say million no. I want you to talk so. I don't talk am for everywhere where I go with farmers dey. They no fit reply because na truth.
That is their favorite.
Central Bank give am 5.6 billion to give to farmers.
That is his
And so
favorite.
when I go around, I go ask the farmers say, "Una see that money?" So those who raise their hand just now say they collect their name. I want ask una that question. They give una any money? No. They no give you.
Zero
By the time when the farmers come here say, by the time when the farmers come here say they give the money, they quarrel, nobody listen to them. They have to go to Abuja, some of them. They go to protest for Abuja. They protest for Central Bank. They protest for EFCC. Say, this man take our name, collect money.
No road.
Bam.
That money,
You go
none
give
of us here.
PDP.
Go make sure.
Now, governor, where go cheat your own people. Money wey dey say make he give farmers, he carry that money put am for him pocket. Na that man una go vote for. Na that man una go vote for. But you see, na that one na suppose to be public-private partnership. Government giving you money to improve your business. Government giving you money to improve your business. By the grace of God, I say, when we come in, una go see the difference.
Amen.
I say una go see the difference. The other one na leadership by example. We want a leader wey dey fear God.
We need good leader.
Leader wey go respect our people. Whether they be elders o, they be women o, or they even be youths. We want leader wey get human kindness. Wey go see people dey suffer, go say, "Ah no, this one not good."
Now you be that person.
We want leader wey dey talk true, not be dey deceive the people.
That's P1.
You go promise something today, when they go tomorrow, you go say, "No, I no promise am." If I name the promises wey this man make 4 years ago,
$100,000 job with
he go tire, he no do anyone.
$100,000 job.
By the grace of God, in Pastor Eze Yamu, you will see a governor that you can see anytime. A governor that is determined to improve. You know, everywhere where I don't go, that they receive comrade well.
Yes, so. Now they make them
And I tell her,
a
say,
better person.
it's good to do well.
Yes, so. Now make us go
If you
Benin.
don't do well, they will not see you like this.
Now make us go Benin.
Fear for not allow you stand like this. And me the watch, oh. Me also want to say, when I leave office, I go stand like this tomorrow, and I go welcome me. Not because of that stone, they stole me. You know, say me top, after everyone has stone me, go hit me well. If they even feel dog stone, but me no go feel dog stone. So by the grace of God, I'm assuring you, when I come in, I go see the difference. Finally, the E for simple agenda, employment and empowerment.
Now we need.
If you look now, too many people will not get jobs.
We not get.
How many has just now say,
That day man, 200 years man.
Wait. Obaseki, you promised 200,000 jobs.
No one.
That job, how many reach Onwa West?
Nothing.
He tell them for Onwa West, he say in their in-law. He say in their in-law. He go transform Onwa West. He say in grandmama come from Onwa West. But what has he done for Onwa West? They take 2 billion. Say they take put farm for Sobe. That farm get head. That farm get head. So by the grace of God, we are going to create jobs. And then the empowerment, people will benefit part of that empowerment of women. You know what? You know what we don't find out? And this one, make the men not even deny. You know who they keep at those states now? Women. We don't find out, say. We don't find out, say. Wait, thank you. Wait. We don't find out, say. Wait, now. Wait. We don't find out, say. If you give a doe woman 10,000, if you come back in 4 months' time, it don't turn out to 30,000. Now the magic where God give them be that. So what is their need? Now person will put money for their hand, make them increase that for their family. So when you are supporting a doe woman, you are supporting their families. You are supporting a doe state. And so the empowerment is an empowerment that will benefit a doe women. So any of you now are ready to do business. Let me now sure say a lot of things will change. But to be able to achieve this, everybody must vote the right party. And the right party now APC. Don't make mistake with PDP. Don't make mistake. Don't make mistake with Obaseki.
One man, one vote.
Now Obaseki failure. Now I make the removal to vote for APC. But the fact say he don't go change his clothes. Not mean say no be bad person. So he leave APC because APC people say, this man, everything we promise he fail. He can't enter PDP. But make una still remember saying na him. So for PDP too now say we not go green. So once all of una vote for APC, una go see better change for this state. So if una promise now say all una vote, you go APC, make I see una 2 hands.
That's so it be. One way.
Not the only one hand, one way. We can see everything. Okay, now give us somebody to talk to.
APC. For governor. Standing for deputy. Bye-bye to Obaseki. Well, let me thank Pastor for explaining from his heart. Please, please, I'm happy I was watching. Pastor, people were listening attentively. Okay. Those words come from his heart. He understands the challenges, and as a pastor, his word must be his comment. Because the problem is, we brought someone who worked with me for 8 years, and I believe he mastered the way we were working. I was working with Professor Ihoberi. He was secretary to government one time. After Pali, the was secretary to government. Obaseki was my advisor. Unknown to me that he just lie low under the green grass. So as soon as we gave him the key, he now come out in his true color. Now, just listen to this. The school I built in 2014, primary school, he came a few months back to repaint it. And then put his own photograph. Meanwhile, there are new schools he's supposed to build. The promise we made to Edo people was continuity. That is, he will continue to build new schools. He will continue to build new roads. And he will continue to employ more teachers. Now, as it stands, when he saw election is coming, he carried paint to repaint a school I already did. There is nothing wrong with repainting, but that is not a new project. He's supposed to build another school. Now, if you do not have teachers, every day, every month, people are retiring when they get to the age. I put teachers' retirement for 60. He brought it back to 35 years of service. So some teachers will retire at 50 or 52. So now you have schools, no teachers. Now the one person I just mentioned, how do you collect money? You know, you only say you apply. What you didn't say is the fact that you were asked to put your photograph. So you spent money to apply for agricultural farm loan. They took that money, but you never got the loan. So you take it from who had not and give it to who had. Now, that is the worst crime that any governor can do. To take from the poor who voted for you to enrich yourself. It is that money he has gathered all over the state. He added to the 5.6 billion naira he took from CBN in the name of the poor farmers. Add it together to go and buy a useless umbrella from PDP. So you know, nothing good can come out of that tattered umbrella. As if they cheat you, now so God will take punishment. That punishment, he will use you who are the victim of this manipulation. Let me first ask, do you have the weapon for sacking governors?
Very well.
Do you have the weapon? What is the weapon? God will bless you. You know about to give me 3 credit. You must have made 6 credit. Because that BBC is stronger than AK-47. They can be doing here and there shooting to discourage people. Don't join them. Don't join them. That your PVC, it doesn't take blood. All it needs is your thumb. And when you do that, boom. Go, Obaseki, boom. Go, Obaseki, boom. Go. Then when the woman go, boom. Pastor, go. Pastor, go. By the time you finish voting, APC, 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 APC. And I believe you are very well organized leaders here. You work with them. Please, you know, in the rallies, we know that people are farmers. Everybody cannot be here. So when you go home, explain, particularly to people who have been duped. Because you cannot produce a professor if your children cannot go to school. And if your children go to school without teacher, they are only going there to sleep. I was watching a program yesterday. A reverend father told us yesterday how, I think it's in Onwa, he told us how children are cracking melon. Were you there?
That is for one.
He said, instead of
I can tell you.
you sabi many things, oh. You are professor of practical reality.
I can tell you
Because these Catholic Reverend fathers, we meant to brief them because they are our spiritual fathers. And we were shocked when the Reverend Father said, the children are now cracking melon because they have nothing to do in school because there are no teachers there. Any crime they commit can be excused, but not the crime in education.
Yeah.
My mother is a cassava farmer. My father died, he didn't have a bank account. The only thing he did for me was to send me to a Awolowo school that was free, with teachers that were paid. If I didn't go to those schools, or I went to those schools and there were no teachers, can I be here? No. So you need to understand that crime alone means the ladder for climbing to the future has been destroyed. Whoever destroy your ladder, may God destroy their own ladder. So I think you need to really sit down and explain the linkage between your future and the present. And why Obaseki has to just go in our collective interest. Because if these children don't go to school, or they go to school they are not taught, they will grow up, they will say, well, I went to school, but the school did not go through them. The result is that they cannot be employed because they have no skill. Lastly, one beautiful lady wrote me a letter. And the chairman was trying to read the letter, I no agree. You won't know what she they write me. But I can tell you, she wrote me a love letter. And she said, let me explain. We tailors association, right? That you are going to support this tall, awesome governor that is coming. That's what he wrote. And because you said so, Pastor, this is from me. And I'll tell you why. I grew up in life, I'm never ashamed to say it. I work in a textile factory on daily paid basis, 5 shillings and 3 pence a day. That is 3 kobo for salary for 1 day. Don't be make me look like this now because there was no me when we were born, that's why. But APC, so I work. In the end, I became the General Secretary of Textile, Garment and Tailoring Workers of Nigeria. So tailors are my special friend. So when you write me that note, I saw it, I made a decision. I don't know how many you are, but just to show that I never forget my beginning. If I forget my beginning, then I am not grateful to God. So I, Oshomole, not APC now. But what is the difference between Oshomole and APC? It's not attempted. So, in appreciation of your support for Pastor, I'm going to buy 10 sewing machines. I will send them. Hello? I will send them to you, and please distribute them as my own personal support to my comrades, because I work in a textile and tailoring factory. Before God made me to be president of Nigeria Labour Congress and later governor of Edo State, you can see the power of God in the life of any man who has good heart. May one of you too become the governor and the president of this country one day. Think not by yourself, by your children. You know why I like to tell my story? I don't want people to give up on life. Wherever you start there. If you have the passion, you are committed, you will get there. So thank you very much. May God bless you all. Our women, no yes? No woman. No woman, no nation. No woman. No youth, no election. No youth. Thank you.
very much.
That was Comrade Adams Ali Oshomola, leading the campaign train of Pastor Sage Izeyamu and APC to Ozola Ward in Owan West local government area of Edo State. And as you can see, the crowd right here is mammoth, and it has been like that right from the onset since we started our campaign in the Donuts. Yesterday was Isako West, and you also saw the massive crowd that received the APC campaign train in the ward of the deputy governor, which is Jatu. So you can see the election is already going one way, going the way of APC and Pastor Sage Izeyamu. So if you are watching, kindly share this broadcast, share it so well. God bless you all. Thank you.